Welcome to DataBuild's audio-visual instruction. This training video looks at paying unpaid invoices and doing a pay run. Click the Posting drop-down menu on the main toolbar and select the Pay icon. The payment screen appears. This screen, like others in DataBuild, has a number of drop-down menus from which you can select an option. And icons. Each icon has its own tooltip. In the top row of the panel, you first select the bank you are going to pay the funds from. We have two accounts here and we are going to select the trading account. Next you have the check or reference number, which increments by 1 each time you update a payment. The date, we'll select today's date. And the current bank balance, which can be hidden by modifying the user permissions in the system setup. The screen displays all your suppliers and the total value of outstanding invoices against those suppliers. Note the live creditors are blue. You can make a selection by supplier group. I can pick my subbies only, or I can pick my material suppliers. Or I can pick my overhead accounts, depending on the groups you've set up. I'm selecting all groups. Now this is a big list and I only want to display my suppliers with unpaid invoices. So I can click the Unpaid option in the toolbar. To see the invoices, click the plus symbol next to the supplier name. The outstanding invoices appear and you can tag the invoice for payment. Notice the supplier changes colour to green. Click the next supplier, tag the invoices for payment, and the next. This one has two outstanding invoices and I'm only tagging one. You can go down the list and tag any supplier's invoice you like. Rather than performing this task manually, you can use the search module. Let me just clear the existing payment batch. See, the tagged suppliers are now untagged. Back into the search module. In this search function you can set up to search invoices only, to pay by check or EFT. You can search by group. In this case I'll click the subby group. I can select the date range, and when I click go you can see that any supplier within the selection criteria has had their invoices tagged for payment. I can get a payment batch report which lists each supplier and the amount you're about to pay them. The report totals the pay run, something the boss might be interested in. And then, before paying your suppliers, you can untag any invoices that you don't want to pay. Select the tagged option in the toolbar so only those suppliers with invoices tagged are displayed. Click the Select All icon. You can print checks and remittance by clicking the Print Checks and Remittance icon. You can set up a user-defined layout for your remittances and nominate a printer. Click the Go button and the remittances appear. You can edit these layouts to suit your own requirements. A batch list appears at the top left. When you exit the report, the system asks you to update the payments, and if you answer yes, the payments will be updated showing a transaction number that will be stored in the audit trail. Now when we go back to the Display Unpaid option, the suppliers you've just updated do not appear as they no longer have any unpaid invoices. You can select suppliers and invoices one at a time, tagging the invoice and then clicking the update icon in the toolbar. The system will ask if you want to print a remittance. If all you want to do is process the payment, click no and your system updates your payment transaction. So there is your basic payment routine in DataBuild, making your accounts payable a lot easier. Exit by clicking the blue door. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching.